Good morning, everybody. We're here to dye up another t-shirt for you. It's been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're going to twist it up and throw some color on it. Coming along for the ride. Got a 2X. Nice, good big boy. What's your plans for this one?
I don't know, it's so big.
It's a big one. It's a big one. Start with a half. Get it into a more manageable size.
I'm telling you.
That's a lot of real estate.
What if we did like
Pleated. In form of pleated. We haven't done a pleated in quite a while, actually. Shoot, we haven't done anything in quite a while.
what if we did like
We
this?
got a little lacking, but that's okay. I'm busy. I'm building stuff. Oh, another pleated swirl, yeah. Cute. Twist it on up. The last one we did like that actually came out really, really well. It was quite a while ago now. It's probably been over a year and a half, but it was amazing. We did a spiral one like this too that came out really good too, remember?
Yeah.
I don't know why we never even did any more of those. This was a good one. I think we sold both those shirts and just never looked back. I don't know why.
Okay.
Did the dyeing rack.
Alright.
Stick with our bold color theme, because that's what we got mixed up fresh for today. Don't worry though, people, we're remixing all new dyes. We got a whole bunch of new stuff, some new chemical, some new mixing agents, just all sorts of great new stuff. Is that better black?
Yeah.
Got better black to kick it off. That's an alone traveler coming down the road. And they're listening to music. You don't hear that in news parts much. Not a lot of travelers out here. Got some Bluebird. You know, I've always been a big fan of the tricolors. It's always been one of my favorites. So. I've always loved these very much. Got deep purple?
Yeah.
Ooh. Deep purple. Look at that. Oh, wow. That's gonna be a good one.
Okay.
Got a little skosh on this side, but you can get it on the flop. It'll soak in nicely. Look at that right there. So all told on this one, we have better black, deep purple, and Bluebird.
What I do with my black?
Deep purple, better black, and Bluebird.
Where did it go?
You put it onto the wheel of color and lost it. The wheel of color is vast and expansive, Mamu. The wheel of color. I did think about making a legit carousel of color, and I'm like, no, we'll save that for the next one. Now we have the basket of bottles. Next will be the carousel of color.
How exciting.
Yes. Gotta build some suspense here. A little more Bluebird. I'm gonna top it all off with that wonderful, vibrant, deep purple. Look at that. That's a good little blend of color there.
Alright.
To the drying rack.
Let's go.
Let's do it. Top shelf, where it will sit for the next 24 hours until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.